Hello friends. Well, I wanted to share with you that I had the chance to visit two of Australia's most iconic landmarks, Uluru and Kata Tjuta. And let me tell you, it was an experience like no other. First, I stood in awe before Uluru, a place I have always dreamt of visiting. The spiritual energy around the rock was almost overwhelming. I could feel the history, the power, and the stories of the land all around me. I felt connected to something ancient, something much bigger than myself. After Uluru, I made my way over to Kata Tjuta, just a short drive away, and I was completely blown away again. These domed rock formations are so different from Uluru, but they still carry that same powerful energy. It's hard to describe, but it feels like the land is alive here, full of secrets and untold stories. In the heart of Australia's Red Centre, two ancient giants rise from the desert floor, Uluru and Kata Tjuta. Though different in form, they are deeply connected in spirit, story, and stone. Just 38 kilometers apart, these formations anchor the sacred landscape of Uluru-Kata Tjuṭa National Park. The Anangu people, traditional owners of this land, view them as deeply sacred. Their stories weave the two sides together in a spiritual and cultural bond. Geologically, they are siblings too. Both began forming over 500 million years ago from sediments eroded off the Peterman Ranges. Uluru is a single sandstone monolith, while Kata Tjuta, meaning many heads, is a collection of 36 domes. Uluru stands 348 meters tall, but Kata Tjuta's tallest dome, Mount Olgas, rises even higher at 546 meters above the plain, which means it sits more than 200 meters higher than Uluru. All in all, it measures around 22 kilometers in circumference, so it is again bigger and somewhat more impressive than Uluru. This region teems with life. Over 415 plant species, 21 mammals, 178 birds, and 73 reptiles call the park home. The Anangu people have cared for this land for at least 30,000 years, passing down knowledge and stories through generations. Together, Uluru and Kata Tjuta form an awe-inspiring spiritual landscape, one that tells the story of time, culture, and connection. I hope this video helps bring a piece of that magic to you. And if you are ever in Northern Territory, I can't recommend visiting these places enough. It's an experience I'll never forget. Thank you for watching.